Hi everyone, Angela here. I have snuck away to a little corner of the addition and we are going to open some plant mail together. This arrived, we went and ran some errands, and then when we got home it was on my front porch, and so it sat out in the heat for a little bit. Hi Steve. And so I thought we would open it together right away, really quickly, so here we go. Okay, Steve, so I have a surprise for you guys. I decided to treat myself because I've been wanting this plant for a very long time, and I knew it was becoming available at local stores, except I don't get to go shopping anymore because I have kids, and well, I always have kids, but I can't take them into the stores anymore. And so this came from Costa Farms. And it has, like, take me out of my box, it's dark in here, I'm sensitive to cold and hot temperatures, stay clean, and do you love me? So basically I should be prepared for the worst, but I'm still really hopeful for the best, and I'm just really excited. So here is, okay, bear with me because I'm literally sitting on the floor in case it was a huge mess. It said live plant on the box. So hopefully it's nice. Ooh, okay, there's a little bit of soil on the bubble wrap, but I like to see the bubble wrap. That's nice. And there's some care guide. I think that's what that is. So we'll put that over here. Steve is really interested in it right now. Okay, so I don't know quite. Oh, they've like really taped this. So I'm just gonna start hacking away with the scissors. This is not going to be a long video. I'll do a care video for this plant once I figure it out because it's new for me. I don't have any kind that are like similar to this plant. It's the very first for me, and I'm just so excited because I think it's exotic. I know it's really trendy right now. Can you guess what it is? Do you know? Just a minute, sweetheart. I'm like really trying to like fit this in. This is how moms are. If you don't have kids and you're thinking about it, they're super awesome and fantastic, but also you don't really have a life anymore. Your life revolves around them. So, you know, heads up about that. Oh my gosh. So this is like really packed in there great. Are you guys bored with me? Like, is the anticipation killing you? Okay, does anyone know what it is from the pot? I think you probably, some of you probably do. There's a steak in here. That's probably to keep like it in the box the right way. Okay. Ooh, I can feel the paper is moist at the base here. And, oh, it's like, maybe the whole thing needs to come out. Okay, there we go. Oh, ooh, that's messy. Okay. I'm not going to do it that way. We're going to do an unveiling. You can't even see it yet. Okay, some of you know what is happening right now. Oh my God, you guys, it's gorgeous. This was so worth it. I waited like 3 weeks for the shipping. Here, I wanna like hide it off camera from you guys, but I'll let you see. It's just, they like really packed it in here great. Okay, here it is. There's a little soil mess. Who knows what it is? It is the Raven ZZ. Look at that. Oh, some of the leaves are a little damaged. I think it just needs to kind of like spread out again. But look at that foliage. Oh my gosh. I just have to appreciate it. This was worth it. So I treated myself. It took like 3 weeks for shipping to get here. It is incredible. Look at those beautiful black leaves. And the new growth is green, and then it fades to black. I'm not sure how long it takes to do that, so I will let you know. We'll do a care video eventually. From what I've read, they're super easy to take care of, and I just think it's so exotic, and it will look so great in our new house. So I was gonna buy it from Walmart because they said they would ship to my store, but then I saw that Amazon sold it too, and I thought, well, heck, I should just buy it from Amazon because that's free 2-day shipping. Well, now they're shipping in like 3 weeks. So it was the same price, but I've also seen this week This is the first week of May, and I saw that it's on sale at Home Depot, I think, for like $27. So if you have a Home Depot in town, you can pick up at the store for $27. Otherwise, I paid $36. So I still think it's a great deal. Normally, I don't pay full price or even like $30 for a plant because we're on a budget. But like I said, it's birthday month. It was, and I wanted to treat myself, and I've been eyeing this up forever. So it's beautiful. I'm going to clean it up. There's some dirt on the leaves. We'll take care of it, clean everything, and then I'll, like I said, I'll do a video later. He's eating dinner. So, no thank you. So that's it, guys. Okay, I gotta go take care of the fam, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.